Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this video, I am going to show you back and forth effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's add a video clip to the timeline that needs to have a back and forth effect. Next, locate the spot where you want to set up this effect. Make your first cut at this point by selecting it. To do this, choose the razor tool from the toolbar and make the cut. Afterward, move a few frames forward and make the second cut. Once you've completed the cuts, switch back to the selection tool. Finally, drag the end of the clip to the side for later use. To continue, select the cut you made and duplicate it by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard while dragging the clip to the side. Arrange the duplicated clips in sequence next to each other. Right-click on the duplicated clip and choose the speed/duration option from the menu. A pop-up box will appear, providing an option labeled reverse speed. Enable this option by checking the box and click OK. Now, let's play and preview the effect. It looks cool, but it's too short. To make the effect longer, select both clips and duplicate them by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard while dragging the clips to the side. Next, locate the end clip that we set aside earlier and arrange it in sequence next to the existing clips. Indeed, you will notice that the preview is of poor quality when played. This occurs because we ended the sequence with the clip that had the reverse speed effect. To resolve this issue, we should use a clip that plays forward in time instead. Let's utilize the first clip which does not have the reverse speed applied. Hold the Alt key while dragging this clip to the end. Then, close the gap with the end of the footage, resulting in a perfect back and forth effect. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.